Imagine a world where every sunrise is a promise and every challenge is an opportunity. Welcome to the universe within you, where the power of self-belief and positive affirmations creates a symphony of possibilities. In the vast tapestry of life, your beliefs are the threads that weave your reality. They are the architects of your destiny. Picture this. You are the author of your story, the painter of your canvas. Every thought, every whisper of self-affirmation is a brushstroke, shaping the masterpiece of your existence. Close your eyes and feel the resonance of your dreams. The echo of "I am capable, I am worthy" reverberating through the corridors of your mind. This is the anthem of self-belief, a melody that harmonizes with the rhythm of your heartbeat. Understand this truth. The world is a mirror reflecting the energy you emit. Embrace the magic that happens when you stand in front of that mirror and declare, "I am powerful, I am resilient, I am enough." Watch as the mirror responds, casting back a reflection of a warrior ready to conquer the battles of the day. Life, with all its unpredictable twists, is a journey only truly navigated with the compass of self-belief. Like a beacon in the night, let your self-affirmations be the guiding star. In moments of doubt, let them be the lighthouse that illuminates your path, revealing the strength that resides within. But remember, self-belief is not a destination, it is a constant exploration. As you ascend the mountains of your aspirations, breathe in the affirmation, "I am evolving, I am growing." Embrace the process, for in each step, you unveil a new facet of your extraordinary potential. Positive affirmations are not merely words, they are spells that conjure a reality aligned with your desires. When you say, "I am attracting success, I am radiating positivity," you are casting a spell that transforms the mundane into the extraordinary. Now open your eyes to the world you've painted with your beliefs. See the colors of opportunity, the landscapes of resilience, and the skies of limitless potential. This is your creation, a masterpiece born from the alchemy of self-belief. In the grand theater of life, your positive affirmations are the applause that echoes through the cosmos. They are the standing ovation for your courage, your tenacity, and your unwavering belief in the magic within. So let this be your anthem, your declaration to the universe. "I believe in the power within me. I am the architect of my destiny. I am the embodiment of limitless possibilities." May your journey be filled with the sweet melodies of self-belief and the radiant hues of positive affirmations. Go forth, embrace the canvas of your life, and paint it with the brilliance of your unwavering belief. The world awaits your masterpiece.